Little bunny foo-foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Little bunny foo-foo, I don't want to see you, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. Hey guys, happy Easter! It's Breck. Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know what I do on this channel, I get boxes from this company called Universal Yums, and every month they send me a box of little snack items from different countries, and I try them out and tell you guys if I like them, what they taste like, show you guys what they look like. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and let's get started. So this is the clue to this month's box. Next month, an expedition is in store. Down the Rio, we'll search from shore to shore. Not for critters, for something even more rare. Chili is passion fruit, and yums beyond compare. And if you watched my last video, you know that my guess was Brazil. So we're gonna get into this box and see if I was right. Oh my goodness, I'm right again. It is Brazil. Oh my goodness. Yes, yay. It's my pet. Facts about Brazil! Soccer is extremely popular in Brazil. They are the only country that has been in every World Cup. Brazil is home to the world's largest tree. It covers 2 acres of land. It's a cashew tree. 60% of the rainforest is in Brazil. Brazil is the world's largest producer of sugar, coffee, oranges, and beans. Brazil is named after the Brazil wood tree. Brazil is home to a 124-foot tall statue of Jesus. It earned a spot in the 7 new wonders of the world. Now, I guess let's get tasting. Okay. Ooh. So these are chips. They actually look pretty good. I don't know if mandioca is how you pronounce them. I need to see here. They're cassava chips with onion and parsley. Okay. Made in Brazil, yep. Oh, that's what they look like. They don't look like a normal chip because they have a bunch of lines. It's weird. Okay, let's take them. Oh. I mean, they're not too bad, but they taste kind of flavorless to me. They just taste like regular chips, but they taste really salty. I think that deserves the F. I don't know. I like them because I love salt, but they're salty chips. Anyways. This looks like cereal. They literally look like cereal. That's what they're called, or what they are. They're like roasted pipaca bildiu. I'm pretty sure that's what you say. Okay. They're a sweetened popcorn snack. I love popcorn, and I love sweet food. This should be good. That's what they look like. They kind of remind me of like a mushroom. If you guys have ever had puff wheat, that's what this tastes like. Like puff wheat with flavor. It's pretty good. It's really sweet. I really like it. Okay. Oh, what are these? They're called Delicious. See what they are. No. Delicious. Wheat snack with chili pepper seasoning. Not a big fan of chili or pepper. Oh gosh. I don't know. I don't know about these. Bruh, I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't know. Okay, so that's what they look like. I'm scared to try them. They're honestly not that spicy. They're like, they taste like peas and McDonald's French fries. I like the French fries, but I don't like peas, so. I mean, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. Once you have 2 of them, the spice kicks in. It's not that spicy, I'm just kind of a wimp. Anyways. Ooh, this looks good. These look good. They look like a miniature candy. They're squishy. Oh, I think I might have broke it. Oops. Yeah, I can't pronounce what they're called. It's in Brazilian, I think. I think that's the language. So what is this? This is the... Okay, so it's peanut candy. I like peanuts. Yeah, I squished it. Oh no, I squished it. Wow, that's smart of me. Anyways, it kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like a big chunk of peanut butter. All full of crumbs. It literally just tastes like peanut butter. It's good. That was so good. So good. It tastes literally like peanut butter. And I love peanut butter. Like, I love it a lot. We're not gonna open this yet. I don't know. Ooh, this looks like chocolate. I love chocolate. Anyways, let's see what it is. Okay. Dark chocolate with crisped rice. Okay, so it's like dark chocolate with Rice Krispies, kinda, I'm guessing. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be good. Oh, it smells fabulous. Oh, that smells so good. I'm gonna break off a piece. Oh, that's 4 pieces. So that's what it looks like. And what it tastes like? Heaven. Heaven. Delicioso. It tastes like crunchy dark chocolate. That is actually one of the best candies I've ever eaten. It's so good. It literally tastes like crunchy dark chocolate. Anyways, it's really good. I like it. I like it a lot. Another bar. Okay, this one. Let's see what this one is. This one is white chocolate with strawberries. This is gonna be the best ever. I love white chocolate. I like never have white chocolate anymore, but I love white chocolate so much. I'm so excited for this. So that's what it looks like. It smells like strawberries and like heaven, so. It tastes so good. Although, it literally just tastes like white chocolate and strawberries. Except the strawberry have like a sweet, tangy flavor to them. But that's definitely a yes. I think that's the best thing in our box so far. Jeez, I love that. So this is a little surprise yum bag. And yeah, I can't open that. And neither can my scissors. Okay. It's baby proof, it's child proof. Okay. Ooh, that stuff's good. What's this? They're both the same candy, I think, just different flavors. Yeah, so this one is some type of passion fruit thing, I think. So this one is passion fruit flavored milk caramel. Ooh, this is gonna be good. That's what it looks like. That doesn't taste too bad. It tastes really good, actually. They actually give you 2 of each of these flavors. Yeah, I'm just gonna hide those away. Pretend I didn't get them. Because they are so good. Kind of want them for myself. They're really good. It's kind of hard to describe what they taste like. They taste like, kind of like tropical fruit. That is, so, I think it's really good. Kind of soft. Definitely tastes like lime. Anyways, I think it's really good. So good. Yeah. That's all the food we get to taste, Dash. I think this box was like pretty good. I just did not like these like at all. So I guess we get to read the clue for next month's box now. Our destination are famously cheery. How come, you ask? Well, we have a theory. It's not the colorful skies or castles, it's the incredible yums with cookie dough and licorice. How could anyone be glum? So, I have no idea. But since it says famously cheery, like everyone's happy, everyone always says cheerio, I'm thinking it might be England, which would be nice. So anyways, I think it's England. Make sure to check out the rest of my videos, and make sure to like this video and subscribe. And have a good Easter. Bye!